And I was muted. Thank you very much. Welcome everyone to this week's Sumo call. Thank you again for being here. Last week we didn't have a Sumo call. No, 2 weeks before, sorry, we didn't have a Sumo call because of all hands. This week we are back, and I would like to say hello to Siam and Luna for joining today, as well as our usual suspects, Roland and Kiki. I am gonna start by saying thank you very much to everyone that attended Whistler All Hands for the valuable contributions and for participating on the discussions, of course. So Jonathan Yuli, Artis Seburo, Andrew, Daisuke, Christoph, Jens, Michelle, Michael, Philip, Pierre, Yamama, Wim, Lydia, and Jefferson. Thank you very much for attending, and thank you very much for your input and discussion. This is very helpful for us to know what you're thinking, and it's very helpful for us to include you on those conversations to move the Sumo community forward. Then there is, I'm going to pass it for product updates. And Firefox 68 is coming, so please RSVP now to participate in the Sumo Sprint. As asked by Kiki, the link is on the wiki page, and you can RSVP and participate. We are not expecting a lot of changes on this new release, but I will give the floor to Roland to let us know more.
Yeah, there are small changes. So Firefox 4 desktop, Tuesday, July the 9th is the release date, and Tuesday, July 9th is also the release date for Fennec, Firefox 4 Android, and Tuesday, July 9th is also the release date for Firefox iOS 18. I'll put links to the articles. I think the localization is well underway. And yeah, there's not much changes there. Not much to say other than that we have a successful launch of our Firefox preview, which is our preview of our new browser for Android. And that's what's happened this week.
Thank you very much, Roland. Firefox preview, or you might have heard the name Phoenix, how was released last week. And you can find it, for those of you who are Android users, you can find it now on Play Store. If you have participated before in the bug hunting campaign, you had already had access to the nightly builds. Also, we have improved the Play Store tool that we used in the past in order to give you the access to replies, to the comments, to the reviews from Firefox preview. Right now, there's some early adapters of contributors already in there. People like Kalian and Jens, Andrew, and Seburo, and Lydia are already trying it. We have some small bugs. Once those bugs are fixed, we are going to release it to the bigger community. Right now, we don't have a big traction because it's still early days. But once those bugs are fixed, you will all have access to it, and I will write a blog post about it. So keep me accountable about learning more about it. On forums and knowledge base and localization, we have Firefox 68 and Firefox iOS 18 articles are ready for localization. So please go and check that out. If you are into localizing, Ruben would like your help about the articles. And something I totally forgot about mentioning, but you have seen a post yesterday coming from me and amazing Madalena that we have moved to Firefox accounts to log in to the SUMO platform. Right now, we have two ways to log into the SUMO platform. Your all logins are working, or you can connect your Firefox account. These will stay along for a while until we figure out that everything is ready, until we switch completely to Firefox account. So my advice would be to start switching now, so you don't come by surprise by once we fully switch. And if you find any bugs, please let us know by filing a bug for Madalena and Tarsus. They really want to know your bugs before they switch completely. We have heard the bug about the avatar, the Solution is a very old solution, turn on, turn off. You just need to log out and log in, and your avatar will be back there. So if you find any bugs, the conversations are welcome in the forum post, but please, please, please do file the bug so it's easier for Tassos and Madalena to track. All right. Hello, Noah. Hello, Fernando. I don't know, Kiki, did I forget to say anything?
We have lots of people today, so maybe if there's somebody who wants to speak about something.
Yes, please. The floor is yours. Noah, Luna, Fernando, Siam, would you like to add anything? Do you have any questions? We have Roland here, so if you have any product questions, Roland is always happy to have.
Maybe I'll say something. Can you guys hear me okay?
Yes.
A shout out to Constantina, Rola, and Kiki. I was going to say about the Firefox accounts switchover. I'm one of the people that's kind of paranoid about these type of things. So I think I'm going to open up a bug in our GitHub for this, but maybe to keep the old login system around past the testing period as a backup, because in the past, I remember Firefox accounts used to go down. So I'm kind of worried about what happens on a day when Firefox accounts goes down and then none of us can log in to help out the users or do any KB work or anything like that. So maybe it could be limited to admins and moderators, the old login style. Maybe that would be less maintenance, but I know these things are kind of tricky, so I probably have to talk to Tassos about that. Yeah, but that's one of my concerns for right now. And then the site-wide weirdness, I just join everybody else and just file regular bugs about that.
Yeah, about the second login, I don't know the infrastructure and how difficult is that for Tassos. I understand the concerns. I believe that if the Firefox accounts will go down, we'll have big problems inside Mozilla for a lot of stuff that people are managing. But yes, SUMO will be a part of it. So yes, please do file a bug. Maybe Tassos will keep an infrastructure on the background just in case. I'm pretty sure that he will be able to, admins are not connected to Firefox accounts for sure. Like the people who have admins, it's a different system. However, please do ask Tassos about that. I don't know more details. As for the site wideness, yes, it was a side effect that happened when they have to add the Firefox accounts. That's why those white spaces and why people are complaining. The more you see about those, the better is to file bugs about it, because Madalena, you use the platform way more than other people do, and it's important to see those changes that people might miss. So Madalena really needs to know changes and what is annoying and what graph needs to happen. She might not be able to get on them on time with Tassos, but it's a good way to know what is happening in the platform and know what is broken and not. Cool. Are there any other questions? Luna said, I don't have any questions. I don't know, Siam, Espinoza?
No, I don't have a question. And I don't have more any information because of the platform SUMO. Thank you.
Thank you very much. I don't want to put Siam on the spot, so I think that's okay. Thank you very much, everyone, for participating. We'll see you all next week.
And do not next week.
Yes, it's a release week. And don't forget to participate on the sprint by Kiki. If you have any questions about the sprint, again, Kiki and I are here to solve all your questions. Kiki also created a very beautiful video to tell you on how to participate. And we want to make the participation better. So let us know how we can improve your experience. Cool. Thank you very much, everyone. See you all next week.
See you later. Bye.
Adios. Ciao, chus.